Cheers! Are you thinking Vancouver's detached home prices are way too high? Well, today we're going to change your mind.
Wait, I think prices are coming down.
Yes, you are right. And this one is 100,000 below the assessment, turnkey, fully renovated, features a versatile lower level with some kitchen and private entrance. Perfect for extended family or guests.
Okay, now you have my interest. Where is it?
It's right here in between Killarney and Renfrew-Collingwood. You're the best of both areas, short walk to Joey Station Station, parks and schools, and you are still in the heart of Vancouver.
Okay, so a move-in ready 5-bedroom house. I want to go take a look.
Sure, let's go take a look. Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to 5657 Kerr Street. Before I show you the upstairs, I just want to point out this foyer area. It's private and spacious. It's a perfect spot to organize all your shoes, coats before heading out. Coming up to the main level with a 9-foot ceilings, upgraded flooring and quad molding throughout, and a huge east-facing window that brings in all that morning sunshine. Now this living room feels open and bright, and this gas fireplace sits flush with the TV wall, so the layout looks clean and modern, without awkward corners. And right above the dining area, you've got 2 skylights, bringing tons of natural lights, even on the cloudy Vancouver days. Welcome to the heart of this home, this modern kitchen. The entire kitchen has been redone. You got sleek cabinetry built all the way to the top, which offers lots of storage space. You got a quartz countertop and kitchen appliances and a French door fridge. It's bright and functional. There's even more space for you to set up a breakfast nook or a coffee bar. With the primary bedroom, which comfortably fits a queen or even a king-size bed, the ensuite has been fully upgraded as well. There are also 2 other well-designed bedrooms on this level, perfect for kids, guests, or even a home office setup. Now let's go take a look at the downstairs. This front room here is used as an office, but it can easily function as a kids' playroom or family media space, with its own bathroom here, which is also being upgraded as well right next to it. So here's the closet space for this room, and you have a side-by-side laundry, and I'm gonna show you what's actually behind this door. Hey Barton!
Hey Ken, this space is awesome. You got this private entrance, a lot of privacy. You have 2 good-sized bedrooms on the right side, and then you have this functional living space with large windows overlooking the backyard. You have a full bathroom and this U-shaped kitchen with large quartz countertop, lots of space for you to cook, and there are cabinets to store things. And don't forget the in-suite laundry here. I can easily imagine myself having breakfast here and just make this place really comfortable.
And leading to this door from the kitchen, you got direct access to this outdoor space, perfect for you to barbecue or weekend gatherings. And even the stairs that lead into the yard were recently being upgraded.
Backyard is perfect for family gatherings, getting some fresh air with your kids, parents, and enjoying all the greeneries around. This is just the kind of outdoor space you just don't get in a condo or townhouse. And right behind this house, you got a side-by-side garage with EV charging ready.
And the best part is, it's within walking distance to schools, parks, and SkyTrain. And it's really that type of home that lets you to move up without moving far.
So if you want to upgrade from a condo or a townhouse, you definitely need to check out this move-in ready detached home. My name is Barton.
And my name is Ken. So what are you waiting for? Give us call, text, or email to book a private tour and make this your next home. We're from True Partners Real Estate Team. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom townhouse in Richmond, click here or subscribe to our channel so you never miss another property tour video. Cheers!
Cheers!